Okay, today is super exciting. We have been riding these mountain bikes up until now, but we realized with the amount we are bicycling, and there's Luna, and what we wanted to do with them, we'd need something different. So we ordered some bikes from Priority and they just arrived. So we are about to unbox.
Duzer excited.
Oh, this is going to be so cool. Wow. Okay, so it does have some assembly required. That's why you're taking out all of these bits and pieces.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at my bike!
A whole bike in one shot. This must be a belt.
There was another one that was just packaging, so it could just be packaging. These are really well packaged. They're bundled perfectly. They have all of this, I don't think you can see all of it.
Hardware box.
It down. Lots of zip ties and foam. There were these tubes that were braced against both sides of the box to keep it from collapsing in, so that the bike wouldn't get crushed in transit. Really, really well
Instruction,
packaged.
disc brakes, and all the tools that you will need. Pedals. Disc brake.
Those are mine?
Yep.
Awesome. First, I'm going to open all the bits. In case we don't need to talk about it, I can take it out and put it on like a time lapse or something. All right, the chaos continues. We have all of the packaging, for the most part, off of our bikes. And Dave is a step ahead with the handlebars. I am just removing this top cap here. Let's see if I can focus on it better. And then the cardboard will slide off and the handlebars will go in there. Handlebars are on. Beautiful. Next, the rotor is going on the front tire. And just so you know, we are watching the Priority Bicycles instructional video for each step and then going through it together. And Dave is working on his also. Here, and then there's this red tape. This doesn't seem to want to come out very well.
That's really hard to get off.
Oh, the whole plug comes out. I think that whole thing comes out. Oh, we've got our disc brake rotor assembled nicely here on this front tire. And we'll find out the next step. This side goes here.
180. This goes into your disc brake.
Oh, yep. Thank you. Your way was much easier. So Dave didn't follow the directions, he did it a better way, putting the bike upside down, and I decided to move mine so I could do exactly the way they said, and it's not going on there very well. Maybe it's because I tightened it too much.
You can stand this down so you can move the bike over.
Oh, that's much better, yep. So it looked the same, but it wasn't. Okay. Oh my God, these are starting to look like bikes. All right, we've got the front tires on, and we are noticing that we can hear a slight rubbing in the disc brakes. We're thinking there's going to be an adjustment later on, but for now, it's looking good. Okay, now I'm putting on the fender. I got this part through the fork, and now I'm just putting these struts on. Okay, so I've got these on where they said to put them on. You can see that this is touching the tire, so I think there's going to be an adjustment. I kind of fiddled with it out of order, but we'll come back and probably adjust that. Now they're having us put the rear fender struts on, so I've got to take that packaging off and do the same thing here with this little bolt right there. I forgot the video. The right pedal went on, you tighten it really, really tight, and it is standard threading, and I'm about to do the left pedal, which is backwards, or non-standard. I don't think they call it backwards. I'd have to turn it counterclockwise instead of clockwise to tighten it. And I also got the struts attached for my rear fender, which is looking really good. I was able to adjust my front fender. The part that was touching the tire, and turn it so you can see there's a gap now. There's a slight gap. I still think there's more adjustment needed, but that'll do for now. And I think we'll watch the videos on adjustments after this. All right, we have gone from 2 boxes full of bike parts to 2 gorgeous Priority 600 bikes.